Yeah. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to connect our PyCharm IDE. We are going to connect our PyCharm IDE uh, with the GitHub. Okay, I hope everybody has worked on GitHub because previously you had your SDP projects. All your SDP projects was dumped into GitHub, I guess. So I hope everybody knows what is GitHub and everybody has an account in GitHub, right? So I'll not waste time there. What is GitHub and all? Okay, I'm just opening my GitHub. I'm just opening my GitHub. Sign in. Sign in. Okay, I'm just creating a new repository. Okay, you can give any name. Let's give it as git 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 try. Okay, git try. I'm just creating a repository. Name it as git try. Okay, I'm just making it as private. Add a readme file, all these basics. I'm creating a repository in my GitHub account. Okay, so this is my GitHub account. It is created. It is created. Now now go to your PyCharm. Now open your PyCharm. You'll have a window like this. You'll have a window like this. Till now, what you have done, you have just created a new project or opened a new project here. Okay, you have one more option here. You have one more option here. Get from version control. Get from version control. Click on that. Click on that. You have a URL. No, sorry. You have three types here: repository URL, GitHub, and GitHub Enterprise. Click on GitHub. Click on GitHub. This is already I have connected, so it is showing. Initially, it will be like this. Initially, it will be like this. Okay, log in via GitHub. Log in via GitHub. It will redirect to your web page. Click on authorize GitHub. Okay, it will say you have successfully authorized GitHub. You can close this page. Now again, go back to GitHub. Sorry, PyCharm. It will show all whatever content it is related to your GitHub account. Whatever content it is related to your GitHub account, we have created a repository called git try. Called git try. Check whether it is available or not. It should be there. Yeah, see it is there. Git try. Okay, it is git try. Just click on clone. Just click on clone here. Okay, clone. It will take a minute to clone it. Okay, see you have only one content here. You have only one content here. Redmi.md. Redmi.md, and see the folder. It is git try. See the folder. It is git try. Okay, so that link is established. Link is established between GitHub and your PyCharm. GitHub and your PyCharm. Okay, so now what I will do is I'll go to my GitHub account here. I'll go to my GitHub account here. I'll add a file, upload a file. Okay, I have a Python file with me. Just for an example, I'm showing. You can upload any content, not a big deal. Yeah, I am uploading one file here. Okay, I am uploading one file, demo underscore date dot py, which we have practiced in the previous session. Okay, I have shown an example for date date and time module, which we discussed in the previous session. This is the example file which I have shown. I'll just give commit here. Commit changes. I hope everybody knows what is commit. Can anybody respond? What is commit in GitHub? I want the response in the chat box. What is commit? What is commit in GitHub? Respond in the chat box. Respond in the chat box. What is commit in GitHub? No response. What? Yes, sir. Ramu, why you are typing yes, sir? What is commit in GitHub? Zero. Nobody is present in the room. Nobody is present in the class or what? The file that you have staged in the local repository. Okay. Any other answer? What is commit in GitHub? Okay. So what I have done, I want everybody to answer. If you don't know the answer, find out, then post the answer. Okay. So what I have done is I have added one file demo underscore date in my GitHub. What is my in my repository? What is my repository name? Repository name is git try. Git try. Okay. Now, if I want to reflect that code here, if I want to reflect that code here, I'll just right click on the project name. I'll just right click on the project name. Go to Git. Go to Git repository and click on pull. Click on pull. It will ask the channel, main or some other channel. You just pull. Okay. It will take some time. See at the bottom, pull changes origin. One file updated in commit. One file updated in commit. See that file is reflecting here. That file is reflecting here. That file is reflecting here. Okay, so if I want to add one more statement here, if I want to add one more statement, say I'll just add one print statement here. Print, this is an example for Git integration with PyCharm. With PyCharm. I'm just saving this. I'm just saving this. Okay. Now, go to your repository. Click on this file. Click on this file. You have only three lines. Import datetime d equal to print. There is no print statement which I have typed there. Which I have typed here. This statement, line number 3. Line number 3. So what you need to do again, right click on the project name. Right click on the project name. Go to Git repository, push. Okay, go to repository, push, and you do the push, and at the bottom if you check it is saying pushing. Everything is up to date. Now go back. Refresh here. It should be saved. No. Okay, one more. I'll just run this. Yeah. Git repository. Oh, sorry. Commit directory. Click on commit directory. Okay, click on commit directory. You need to give a commit message. Okay, uh, let's write just example demo demo underscore git, demo underscore git. Okay, just give on commit here, click on commit, see bottom, one file committed, example demo git. Now get back to your repository. Now get back to your repository, click on the file, that line will be added. No? Okay. Commit. After commit, you need to push this. Just give me a minute. Yeah, push. It is saying pushing one push to one commit origin slash main. Go to your repository. Now it will be there. Now it will be there. See line number 3. Line number 3 you have added one line. This is an example for Git integration with PyCharm. Git integration with PyCharm. Okay. So what is the advantage or what is the use of this one is when you are doing a project. Okay. At the end of this TFSD, you are supposed to do a project. You are supposed to do a project. When you are divided into teams, okay, all the persons will have their own codes, their own content. If everything is updated in the Git, everything is updated, and and everything has its own versions. Okay, it is not mandatory that if I write this code, you have to write